What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? This your boy Shining Fireheart, and today we have ourselves the final couple cards that we're still opening. And I thought I'd open up this part 6b by finishing all these cards off. And hopefully, as you guys can see here, I got myself a new. The table is finally ready. My table's finally ready. I got everything set up over here. Got some new pop figures, and I got some Ruby characters here for those Ruby fans out there. But right now, we're trying to finish everything off. I got myself a new mic. Everything's up and running. Thank you also, guys. Thank you to Teravark, who commented down below that, yeah, I need to get a new camera and everything. So I tried my best, and I'm going to be getting a new camera here soon. But for the meantime, I'm switching back to my first camera, which has a better view, as you can tell by the cards in it. So I'm going to try to do this as best I can. Also, guys, I got myself a light above, so now I'm able to get myself, so now I don't have to worry about the light from over here. And I'll probably adjust it as I go along with this, but for right now, guys, let's get into this and finish off the pack that we were doing, the stack that we were doing before. So here we go, Pendulum Rising. Alright, and then we got Magma Dragon. Next up is Half Unbreak. Frightful Factory. Ooh, we got a playset of that now. Fluffle Sheep. I think we got enough Fluffle Sheeps. Fluffle Crane. Edge Imp Saw. Edge Imp Frightfuloid. So we're getting a lot of Frightfurs and everything. Dizzy Wind of Yosenju Village. Doomdog Orthros. Despot number 4. Diceversity. Alright. Sorry guys, I have my dog here. And she apparently is trying to get my attention, so. But anyways, let's try to continue on here if I can. Cybernetic Fusion Support. Thankfully, guys, this actually has better focus than the others. Chosen of the Zephyra. Abyss Stingray. Vengeful Servant. Twin Sword Marauder. Morphtronic Mix-Up. Morphtronic Force Field. Metaphysical Regeneration. Ivy Shackles. Half or Nothing. Fake Explosion. Ebon Arrow. Desert Protector. Crossword Beetle. B-List Soldier. What's that do? Let me see. You contribute this card and one face of insect monster except B-List Soldier to draw 2 cards. Okay, cool. So we got an insect monster. Assault Slash. That's for those assault monsters that I've seen around, that used to be in the 5Ds area. Assault Mercenary. And then we have Assault Counter. So yeah, everything is here for all the cards that we have, and from the last video. Well, let's go ahead and get these cards well done. Alright. Space Mumbo. Hard Selling Goblin. Heretic Seal of Supremacy. Apothecary. I don't know how to say that name. That sounds so bizarre. Sorry, guys. Fire Ant Escator. Mystical Beast of Suskit. Red Gadget. Silent Magician level 4. Silent Swordsman level 3. Another Silent Swordsman level 7. Stronghold the Moving Fortress. Ooh, we got Big Shield Gardener. Jack's Knight. Light Force Sword. Enrage Battle Ox. Judge Man. Blast Held by a Tribute. I think Ashizu used that card in the original anime series. I can't remember. Dark Necrofear. Exchange of the Spirit. Machine Angel Ritual. Man, I don't know how many cards of those I've had. Mirror Resonator. Rank Up Magic Cipher Ascension. Red Gardener. Red Sprinter. Red Warg. Reject Reborn. I'm gonna be able to build myself a Red Dragon Archfiend deck. A better one, probably even too. Cipher Bit. Cipher Mirror Knight. Cipher Spectrum. Oh, got Cipher Wing. Good for making that Xyz monster for Galaxy Eyes Galaxy Eyes Dragon. Cyber Prima. Got some more cyber cards. Cyber Tutuban. Dark Resonator. Man, we got a lot of Resonators. Double Cipher. Drill Synchron. That'll go good with the Drill Warrior we got in a couple of videos ago. Power Frame. Still good card. Second Booster. Oh, look, Sonic Chick. Always did love Sonic Chick. Stardust Xiaolong. Stronghold Guardian. Synchro Barrier. Variety comes out. Black Thunder for the Black Wings. AD Changer. Blind Spot Strike. We got a bunch of those. Card Breaker. Damage Eater. Dash Warrior. Desperate Tag. That was the final card. Desperate Tag was the final card of this little set right there. See if we can get the camera to stay still. This one actually focuses, guys, so I'm thankful for that. I gotta find the Kaiba for up above Blue Eyes for this the pop figure, because I got Yami and I got Dark Magician Girl. All I need is Kaiba from the pop figure animation. If you guys sorry guys, I can't speak right now. If you guys find any pop figures of some of your favorite animes, it's always good to collect them because it actually kind of makes for good decorating, as well as, you know, having a collection, something, a hobby. For me, I think of it as an actual realistic ideal. Besides Yu-Gi-Oh, collecting pop figures is actually a good thing as well. I like to collect certain things like that, but I can't really say what you guys are going to do. So, all I ask is that you think about it. You guys can start your own channels and do whatever you want with them. That's what I always say. Anyways, last pack. Last 50 cards of the set. And we're starting off strong. Super Heavy Samurai Magnet. General Jade. General Coral. I'm not going to say Super Heavy Samurai because it's too long. Shiranyu Samurai. Those are the new zombie samurai monsters that I've been hearing about. Solo, the Melodious Songstress. Score, the Melodious Diva. Performer Pal Trump Girl. Performer Pal Raingoat. We got a playset of Raingoat now. Performer Pal Monkey Board. Ooh, I haven't gotten that yet. Performance Hurricane. And Performer Pal Bit by Turtle. Magispector Sonics. Following. I think that's for this Clear Wing Synchro Dragon. That's, I forget who the character is in Japanese or in English. Draco Face Off. For the Draco monsters, Dynamis Stegosaur. Dynamis Rush. We got a playset of Dynamis Rush now. Dynamis Plesios. And Dynamis Ceratops. Dynamis Brachion. Destruction Sword Flash. Oh, it's for the Buster Blader monsters. Despot number 8. Despot 7. Dark Dorado. Alumi Raja. Or Raj. I don't know how, I think that's how it's said, but I hope I'm right. Xyz Extreme. Stoke of Prophecy. Snow Dragon. Rage of the Deep Sea. Mogmol. Metallizing Parasite. Sulit. I hope I said that right. Mermail Abyss Slung. Heroic Gift. It seems like not really much of a useful card if you're going to give your opponent life points, but, you know, whatever. Heroic Challenger Night Watchman. Got some Heroic Challenger support right there. Heroic Advance. Heraldic Beast. Burner's Falcon. Grand Ram, Fishborg Planter. Final Gesture, gotta place it at that now. Different Dimension Deep Sea Trench. Deep Sweeper. Bull Blader. Battle Break. Acha-cha-cha Chimbada. Abyss Scale of the Kraken. Or Kraken, or however you want to say it. Unicycular. Tricular. And is it bicular? No, it's Sumpay. Alright, final two cards. Spider's Lair. Final cards are coming up. Shredder. And our last card for this set is Rose Fairy. Okay. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this. And hopefully you guys have enjoyed these videos coming up. I know some of them with the other camera was not good, but I couldn't get this camera to come up, focus, or do anything. I couldn't get the other one to focus. I couldn't get the other one. I couldn't get this camera to charge, and I am going to get a new camera. Thank you again, Teravark, for making that comment and letting me know. I have gotten a new mic for my thing. The other one was screwier at the most, but now it's starting to get things rolling again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that subscribe button and leave a like, and make sure you click on that bell icon to get notified of when I upload my videos, because I try to do them whenever I can. And thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, rev it up. Bye guys.